In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart type in cTrader. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the chart type control and how to switch to the style that best suits your analysis, whether you're reviewing quick moves or studying broader trends. First, make sure cTrader is open and that you have a chart in front of you. A chart here is the main price window where the market moves are plotted over time. If you're already looking at price action for an instrument, you're good to go. The key is to have that chart area active, so the toolbar options relate to it. Now, focus your attention on the top toolbar that sits directly above the chart. This toolbar is where cTrader groups important viewing and layout controls. You'll usually see tools for time frames, drawing, and visual settings all in this strip. Keeping your mouse near the top of the chart helps you spot the icon you need without getting lost in other menus. Look for the chart type icon. It typically looks like a small candlestick image, since candlesticks are the default in many setups. If you hover your cursor over it, a tooltip should confirm you're on the right button by showing something like Chart Type. This icon opens a quick selector, so there's no need to dig into deeper settings or preferences. Click that icon and you'll see a list of available chart styles. Choose the one you prefer. Candlesticks are great for visualizing open, high, low, and close, with clear bullish and bearish bodies, which helps with pattern recognition and momentum. Bars offer the same information in a slightly cleaner, less filled style that some traders find easier on the eyes for quick scanning. A line chart connects closing prices into a smooth line, which is perfect for simplifying noisy markets and spotting overall direction at a glance. Depending on your version, you may see additional styles as well. Pick the one that aligns with how you interpret price. After selecting, your chart updates instantly. If you don't see the icon at first, try widening the chart area or confirming that the chart is the active panel. Sometimes crowded layouts hide smaller buttons. Remember, your choice applies to the current chart, so keep consistency in mind if you're comparing multiple symbols. That's all it takes. Open your chart, find the toolbar above it, click the chart type icon, and choose the view that helps you read the market most clearly. Experiment a bit and settle on the style that makes your analysis faster and more confident.